Hi, I'm Dr. Rebecca Euwer.
And I'm Dr. Michael Maris. We're both board-certified dermatologists here at Dermatology Consultants.
At Dermatology Consultants, we specialize in improving the appearance of the skin in cosmetic dermatology. There are many treatments that we can now do for the skin to improve the skin and make it look smoother and more refreshed that can be done just here in the office with no anesthesia, and they're relatively painless and very few side effects or downtime to the patient.
One of the things I feel is really been important over the years is being able to innovate things. We've been the first in many areas to offer a lot of services. One of the things I'm proudest of right now, I think, is the development of a mini facelift or a lower facelift. It's something that I can offer that I feel like no one else can, in that we can do a very effective facelift purely under a local anesthetic. And because of that, I can completely offer a safe, very effective treatment.
I was awake for the entire procedure, which was something that made me feel even better about it because I don't like to be anesthetized. My big concern was that I didn't want to look pulled or stretched. My goal was not to look like I was 30 or 40. I wanted to look my age. I couldn't be happier. My husband is very, very happy with the outcome, and I think now I look like a 65-year-old woman. I feel so much better. I can look at myself in the mirror now and not want to turn away.
When patients come into dermatology consultants, if they're concerned about a mole or concerned about a wrinkle, we're going to address their concerns and do whatever is right for them, make recommendations that's particular to them. Over time, you get to where you know the patient so well that you really know what they're going to be happy with and what they're not going to be happy with. And so if they're trying to ask me to do something that I don't think they're going to be happy with, I'll explain that to them. I want them to have a realistic impression of how these procedures work and what they can achieve with them.
Dr. Euwer is so incredible because she's conservative and she'll never do anything that will make you look inappropriate or overdone. She just makes you look good for your age.
We tend to have happy patients in our office in general. They start out that way, and we hope to make them happier after the treatment as well. And one of the things I really do enjoy in the practice is interacting with patients. I've always been a people person. It's just a gratifying thing to know that when they walk out of here, they felt like they've gotten really good value for their service.
I've been stopped and asked by so many people, what's your trick? What do you do to your skin? Your skin looks so good, and they know how old I am, you know. So, and I just say, well, it has nothing to do with me. It's God, and of course it's Dr. Euwer, my dermatologist.
I can't imagine an office or a practice that would take any more steps than they do here to assure you and guide you through the process and the recovery. It's amazing, just amazing.